Alright, today we're going to be doing the integral of x to the 6 divided by x squared plus 1. This might seem a little scary at first, but with a little bit of long division, it becomes a very easy integral. So to simplify this, we're going to do long division to divide x to the 6 by x squared plus 1. So we're going to put x to the 6 in here. We're going to have x squared plus 1 on the outside. First thing we want to ask, we look at this first term. What do we need to multiply x squared by to give us x to the 6? So if we multiply x squared by x to the 4, it's going to give us x to the 6. So we're subtracting x to the 6 plus 1 times x to the 4 is x to the 4. We get 0, and then here we get negative x to the 4. We repeat the process again. What do we need to multiply x squared by to give us negative x to the 4? We need to multiply by negative x squared. So if we subtract x squared times negative x squared, so we're subtracting negative x to the 4, 1 times negative x squared is negative x squared. So this becomes 0, and if you remember, you subtract a negative number, we're left with a positive. Again, what do we need to multiply x squared by to give us x squared? Multiplied by positive 1. So we're subtracting x squared. 1 times 1 is 1. So this becomes 0, and this leaves us with negative 1. We have a remainder of negative 1 because there's nothing we can multiply x squared by to give us negative 1. So we write out our division as this is all equal to x to the 4 minus x squared plus 1, and then we put the remainder divided by the divisor. So x to the 6 divided by x squared plus 1 is the same thing as x to the 4 minus x squared plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1. So let's rewrite our integral here. We have the integral of x to the 4 minus x squared plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1. Now we're going to take this and we're going to split them all up into individual integrals. So we have the integral of x to the 4 dx minus the integral of x squared dx plus the integral of 1, which you just write as dx, minus the integral of 1 over x squared plus 1. Now, all of these integrals are integrals we know how to do by themselves, so let's quickly work through this. The integral of x to the 4, we can do inverse power rule. This is going to give us x to the 5 divided by 5 minus x to the 3 divided by 3. The integral of dx is just going to be x, and if we remember, 1 over x squared plus 1 is the derivative of arctan. So the integral of 1 over x squared plus 1 is just going to be arctan of x. And then, of course, can't forget plus c. There we go. That's how we broke down this complicated looking integral using long division to give us a couple very simple integrals to solve.